Another blessed day in South Florida. Today I'll address 6 questions that I received from a particular individual. And although some of them I may have addressed in previous videos, but I do find that these are so relevant that it helped bring things together. So I will address them in the order that they were asked. So question number 1 is, what is the ideal credit score to purchase a home? Well, I've answered that in a previous video. However, this one I'll be more specific. To purchase a home, the minimum credit score, the bare minimum right now that a lender will likely to consider is 620. But if you want to get the very best interest rate possible, I recommend that a person work on improving their credit score, get it to above 740. 740 credit score, you'll get the very best interest rate, which is the best thing you can do for yourself. So that's the first one. Question number 2, how can I apply for a loan? Well, here I would say to someone, depending on your financial circumstance, you may apply for a mortgage loan directly with your banking institution. The bank that you associate with, the bank that you do business with on a daily basis, you can apply with them for a mortgage loan. However, just keep in mind, most commercial banks are very strict on their requirement. Their guidelines are very strict, so very often most people may not be able to qualify with a bank. So for example, a bank may say, I will make a loan to a person with 750 or 740. And if let's say the minimum, their guideline says 750 and you have a credit score of 749, well, as far as they're concerned, you don't qualify, so they really won't consider you beyond that. So, however, a person who cannot qualify to get a mortgage loan with a bank, that person can apply with a mortgage broker. Now, if you are working with a real estate agent, such as myself, that real estate agent can definitely refer you or introduce you to a reputable mortgage broker, also known as MLO. Okay? MLO, mortgage loan originator. Every real estate agent should have a good relationship with a mortgage loan originator, an MLO. So that's another place. Now, the third question, when can I apply for a loan? Well, that is a good question. In addition to improving your credit score, I recommend that a person, before applying for a mortgage loan, that you do a budget. Do a budget for at least 90 days. What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is, for 90 days, I want you to write down how much money you'll take home, your income, how much money you bring in, and keep track of every penny you spend. That will give you a good indication how much money you can comfortably pay for a mortgage. So write down, do a budget for 90 days. Okay, this exercise will enable you to determine how much money you can afford to pay for your mortgage. So I do not recommend anybody to apply for a mortgage loan until they have done that. Do a mortgage, and do a budget, keep track, and that should give you an idea how much you can comfortably pay. So that should give you the confidence. And also, I tell folks, before you go to a bank, make sure you already know what the answer is going to be. Okay? There's no need. You don't go talk to a bank on chance. Don't go to a bank when you don't know what the answer. If the answer is not going to be yes, and you should know if the answer is already going to be yes. How? Because you've already done your due diligence. So, question number 4. What is the first step in starting the home buying process? Now, this is a very profound question. Now, I share with people, eventually I'll go in more detail. But generally speaking, in my opinion, the first step to the home buying process is to decide. What are you deciding? Number 1, A, decide whether or not you can afford to buy a home. That's where the budget comes in. B, what type of home you want to buy. Is it a condo? Is it a single family home? Is it a townhome? Is it a ranch style, a duplex, whatever, etc.? You want to make sure that you know what you want, so you need to decide that. C, you want to decide where you want to buy. What city? What community? What neighborhood? And the list goes on and on. D, if you have kids that are in school, if you have school-age children, you want to know, well, is there a school? What kind of school it is? What quality of a school? Where is the school located? How far is it? Okay? Safety of the neighborhood. What is the crime rate of the neighborhood? So those are the very basic steps I think a person should do. And there's more to that, but for economy of time, I don't want to go in too much detail. But the first step in general is to decide. And those are part of the steps that one should do in deciding. Now, the 5th question is there any hope in finding a great home given the bad market, the home condition? Okay, so this is the question. Is there any hope of finding a great home despite how bad the real estate market is? Yes, indeed. The real estate market is, no doubt, very competitive in South Florida in particular. However, you can certainly locate your ideal home regardless what the market is. Regardless. Now, your ability to find the right home will be determinative. It depends on, number 1, the level of experience your real estate agent. Number 2, your qualifications, because that's all that matters. It's your qualification. So if you qualify and you can afford to buy a home, trust me, there's a home out there for you. Okay? So the right real estate agent can definitely help you buy a home if you are well qualified. And yes, you will require to be a little patient. Okay, a little patience go a long way. So now, the next question, number 6, I believe this is the last one. A lot of people say it's best to wait. And then she add, wait for when? How long? Good. So I've already addressed those things, and I'll restate my previous statements. Generally speaking, my answer has never changed for this one. Usually I do advise my client to only buy when they are ready to buy. And I will remain consistent with that message. Okay? I say you should only buy a home when you are ready to buy. Meaning, you can meet all 4 conditions. Remember when we talk about in previous videos, so I will refer to that person to go watch that video. The 4 C's of underwriting. I'm not going to go through all the details. So the 4 C's of underwriting are capacity, credit, cash, and collateral. If you can meet those 4 C's, you can buy a home. There's no need to wait. Now, that being said, if you are ready to buy a home and you can satisfy the 4 C's, you should buy your home. My reasoning behind that is when you are taking out a loan. Right now, the interest rates on a 30-year mortgage is still very much reasonable. So this is the best time to buy if you can afford to buy. Because contrary to what people say, in 2022, home prices will continue to go up. That's what most economists are saying. Okay, most economists are saying home prices will go up. And yes, interest rate is going to increase. So when people are telling you, if a person advises you to wait, you need to ask them, how long should I wait? When do you believe the property taxes will go down? And ask them to provide you evidence to support their assumption. And I said this one last time. It's best to buy when you can. It's best to buy when the interest rates are low, because doing so will save you a lot of money in the long run. I would rather buy a home at a slightly higher price and pay a lower interest rate than to buy the home at a slightly lower price and pay higher interest. And in this case, if a person procrastinate and wait too long, they're likely to be hit with both. Home prices will continue to go up, and number two, the person is likely to pay higher interest in the future. So that being said, I think I'm well over. This is probably the longest video yet, but this was a lot of things to cover, and I wanted to bring it all in. So please, I ask you again, that's all I ask. Please share this video. That's the purpose. That's the reason I'm doing this, because I do believe people suffer due to lack of understanding, lack of knowledge. So my only purpose for doing this, primarily, not only, but primarily purpose for doing this is to educate the public. So therefore, if you know this will be beneficial to someone, please share. That's all I ask. And thank you again. Thank you for seeing the question, and keep them coming, and I will make the time to answer them. That being said, have a blessed and productive day. Thank you.